Outfit of the day, another outfit. Today I'm going out to see my daughter. I'm going to meet her up in London today. And we're just going around. We're just trying to buy some summer clothes because we're going for holiday. So I'm going to meet up with her. I said to my husband that we're taking the train. However, he said, oh no, we're just taking the car. Normally in London, we take the car and we leave it at Westfield. I mean, we park all day at Westfield. It's not that expensive as well, the parking. So, this is my outfit of the day. I think I will wear bracelet. Yeah. And then I think my daughter is already calling. Where are we? Oh my God, if I wear high heel, I don't think high heel will be good going around in London. Don't you think so? No? I think I will just be wearing slippers. I love to wear slippers when I go around London. Dress and a slippers. What do you think? Oh, I have to think about it really. My God, I'm more comfortable wearing slippers. Isn't it? But the shoes is nice as well. This one is very comfortable anyway. This is not, I mean, there are other shoes that is painful, but this one is not. So, I'll see you later, guys. Thank you.